Okay, so we bought two little types of foam, one low expanding. Remember how much this was?
It's not cheap stuff.
Not cheap stuff. And the top just bust off, so I couldn't use it anymore basically.
Yeah.
Been using it before, used other cans, absolutely fine. It's over a tenner a thing, so it's still quite full. And then, well,
this is the one you stick plasterboard with.
This is the sticky stuff that you can stick stuff with, and we raved about it. We'd used numerous tins of this without any problems, if I'm honest. You see these little holes in here? These weren't evident, they were underneath here. So I attached the gun, and I brought the gun down and I put it on a piece of furniture, if I'm honest. Fortunately there was an old cloth on there. I came back in and there was just this mound growing. So what happens if your tin of foam is pierced underneath the label, you don't spot it. For some reason, as soon as you put the gun on, so this is the result. So I've never used any of this. 13, 14 quid.
It is about 13 quid a tin as well.
So this is it. So we've still got the gloves.
Gloves are like embedded in it.
So if you want to know what happens when one of these explodes and what comes out, it's horrendous. Like some big well, I don't know, mushroom, fungi, loads of gloves. Look,
it's hard as anything as well.
It's good stuff. I'm not knocking the quality of the stuff. It's just that I'd like it between plasterboard and the wall rather than when I'm about to shove it in a bin bag. Anyway, I don't know why, but once we've ripped it off, there's all these little indentations in the can. So there must have been a defect in the can, but it went everywhere. Take it from me. It was like some small child throwing up foam. It was horrible. Anyway, hope that helps somebody when deciding buy it. I'd say buy it, so it's a brilliant product, but just check it's got no holes in the tin, or you'll end up with this somewhere.